Hi all, so a video today on the Isabel Marant Yenke tote bag. I saw this bag in the movie that's on Amazon, The Idea of You with Anne Hathaway, because she had a huge oversized bag, and I did some research and it turns out it was the Isabel Marant Yenke tote, but her one was in suede, so I got the cheap alternative. To be honest, I'm very petite. I didn't expect it to be this big, and there's two sizes, and I thought from the pictures and the measurements, because I ordered online, that actually the smaller size maybe was a bit small. I wanted a bag that's really huge, like a big tote bag. And then it came, and this is it. I really like it, so it's grown on me. I was debating whether to return it or not, but I thought, to be honest, why not? It's a really nice like summer, autumn, spring bag. So let's show you. So it's basically got the design at the front, which is embroidered in, so it won't fade. It's plain at the back. It's got a really nice deep handle. Inside it's basically just white, so there's no internal pockets, so it's basically a complete tote bag. Great to chuck everything in. I've still got the label here, and so you can see like it's really big. Obviously there's nothing inside. It's huge, but I kind of like that. I think it's really handy. So I'm finding lately that I'm carrying like a tote bag in my handbag, so when I go shopping I get the bag out. This way I can chuck as much stuff in, and I will let you know what I think of it like once I've worn it a few times. I thought this is a really cute, and it's a lovely colour to add to my collection. So let me know what you think, or if you've got the Isabel Marant tote bag and you like it.